welcome back to Amy's Phonetic Corner. If this is your first time on the channel, my name is Emma Patrick and I'm an English language teacher. I teach phonetics, grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and common English expressions. In this video, I've got a vocabulary slash grammar lesson for you. Today, we're going to talk about synonyms. Of course, a definition has already popped up in your head, but let's see if your definition is correct. Synonyms are words or phrases with the same meaning or nearly the same meaning with other words in the same language. Did you get that definition right? Of course you did. But subtly present in that definition is the fact that many words do not exactly capture the same meaning in a specific context, although they are synonymous in general classification. Let me give this illustration. Let's take the word talk, which has as its synonyms words such as speak, say, proclaim, declare, babble, put to, testify, opine, and many others, each of which can rarely replace the other without affecting the context of the speech. This, a lawyer puts it to his witness. A lawyer does not talk to his witness. A counsel addresses the court. A counsel doesn't speak to the court. A person testifies and does not proclaim. A person recites a poem, or we say our prayers. We do not propose our prayers. Therefore, the user of the language must ensure that an apt selection is made from the abundance of words that have the same meaning in order to suit the specific context. In this video, I have put together 6 words, an apt selection of words that can be used as synonym to replace them without changing their context. Number 1 is the word calm, which means a state of being free from stress or disturbance. Now, synonyms for the word calm would be peaceful, still, serene, quiet, noiseless, and a very beautiful word, placid. Number 2, we have the word beautiful, which means having beauty or pleasant to the senses or pleasing to the mind. Synonyms that can replace the word beautiful are stunning, gorgeous, exquisite, magnificent, fabulous, pretty, fantastic, or you could say fantabulous, gotten from putting the 2 words fantastic and fantastic and fabulous together. You have fantabulous. You can also have breathtaking. If something is breathtaking, you know what that means. Okay, number 3, we have the word basic, which means of the simplest kind or at the simplest level. Synonyms are rudimentary, elementary, primary, and fundamental. Number 4 is humorous, something that makes people laugh. Synonyms are comic, funny, light-hearted, waggish, jocose, jocular, and droll. Is clean, which means not dirty. Synonyms for the word clean are spotless, immaculate, and hygienic. And we've gotten to the last one, which is the word amazed, which means to be very surprised. And the word surprised can be used as a synonym for the word amazed. Now, other synonyms are astonished, astounded, flabbergasted, and the word shocked. All right, guys, and that's it for today's lesson. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please hit on the like button, comment, and share. And if you also know other words and their synonyms, please put it down in the comment section. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media. I've got my Instagram at Learn English with Emmy. I've got my Facebook at Patrick. And please subscribe to this channel at Emmy's Phonetic Corner. And I'll see you soon for another interesting lesson. Bye.